In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Patreon. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a quick extra check to your login so only you can access your account. You can set it up with an authentication app or by receiving text messages. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose what works best for you. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Patreon. Click the official Patreon result to go to the site, then log into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing your member profile, not your creator dashboard. This keeps the next steps consistent for where the settings are located. Look to the left-hand side of the page and select Settings. In the Settings view, open the Account tab. Scroll until you see the Two-Factor Authentication section. Here you'll choose whether to use an authenticator app or text messages. Let's set up the authenticator app first. Click Use Authenticator App. Patreon will display backup recovery codes. These are extremely important. Copy them and store them securely, ideally in a password manager or another safe place you can access later. If you ever lose your phone, these codes are how you get back in. With the backup code saved, open your Authenticator app on your mobile device. Popular options include Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. Use the app to scan the QR code shown on your Patreon screen. Once the app recognizes it, it will generate a 6-digit code for your Patreon account. Enter that 6-digit code back on Patreon to verify and complete setup. Remember, these codes refresh every 30 seconds, so type it in promptly. After this, each time you sign in, you'll open your app and enter the current code. If you prefer receiving codes by text message, here's how to set that up instead. Go to Settings, then the Account tab, just as before. Click Use Text Message. Select your country, enter your mobile phone number, and click Continue. Patreon will send a 6-digit code to your phone. Enter that code on the site and select Verify. Once verified, you'll receive a text whenever you sign in, and you'll use that code to complete your login. To wrap up, store your backup recovery codes safely. Don't share verification codes with anyone, and choose the method you'll always have access to. That's it. Your Patreon account now has an extra layer of protection.